And have welcome to Test Guru channel. I have total 13 years of experience in IT industry, and right now I am going to share you with some concept on the Cypress technologies or regarding this on the automation. Nowadays, is fast moving in the market the Cypress automation. So I am going to share whatever we have this as per the document in the Cypress. Okay, first, I will start it regarding this one end to end the testing. I mean, whatever we have the document in a Cypress. Okay, so as you know, there are so many tools in a market for the automation, but the fastest moving is a no. This one of the automation tool is Cypress automation. So I'm going to start on that to demonstrate. Okay, please subscribe my channel. Yeah, we'll start it. And this is the official document from this actually the Cypress. Okay, so we have the lot of concepts, but we'll start one by one. Okay, just right, while seeing this one, whatever the things we need to do it, and how to test it, and how to automate it, and how to write it. Okay, so I will share you this one by one, and I will teach you one by one test cases, how to write it and how to test it and all those things. Okay, just you can see here. Okay, so this is a Cypress, already, like how to install and all. Okay, and after once we are installing the Cypress. Okay, so we have the multiple folders by automatically we'll get it. Okay, so we need to create a project. Under that Cypress I created one things. Okay, under that downloads and E2E pictures and everything is there. Okay, and main fundamental in a Cypress, it will only take it to the screenshot and it will create the video as well. Okay, see, this first thing we need to start. I mean, we need to create a test cases. Okay, my practice purpose for your demo purpose, I just created some of the test cases. Before we are going to this one, the testing, so first we need to understand what are the things we need to going to cover on this the channel. Okay, and what is our agenda. The first things we can see here, these are the even interview questions also I covered in this video. Okay, and what is the test suits. Okay, how to write a test case under the test suits. Okay, and how to create a test suits, and what are the framework, inbuilt framework are in a Cypress. Okay, and how to Cypress test cases we need to write it. Okay, and how to run the Cypress test cases using the relative path. Okay, there are multiple ways to just run the test cases. Okay, so what we'll do it, we'll do one by one. So how to create the test cases, what are the things we can do it. Okay, first things, whichever I created here, just I'll delete it. Time being, it I delete one as well. So we'll start to create a test case. So while creating test case, you need to right click and click on the new file. What is your test case? My first test case is argue test one or Cypress, right? Sci test one. I had taken as a something. Okay. But here extension should be okay. Extension should be cy.js. cy.js. You can see here previously it was not there the JS. Once I'm giving this extension cy.js, so it's getting created. So how to write a test cases? Okay, that everything's defined in a already their official website. You can see here how we need to go. I mean how we need to create it. Okay, so whatever we need to create it as the Cypress test cases. Can see the first I will take it. This is the one code which is already Cypress. They mentioned the official. Is it website? We can see here just I given whatever they given. This I mean this here the main thing is like this one. Whatever they given here, my first test. This is the test suite's name, and whichever is under that you are seeing here that it is only the test case. So I can comment here. This is a test case. It's the first my test cases. Under where this is a test suite. Okay, so even we can create multiple test cases like this. Okay, so but under the test suits, everything should be covered. So, but time being, what I'll do, I will take it only one test cases. So we'll work on that. Okay, so just simple test cases, I will take it. I mean, you know, right? Whenever we are going to test it, any kind of application that's required some web-based applications, right? So what I'll do, I will take one URL. Okay, so I will take it one of the URL, this official URL. I mean, this is related to some automation testing. You want to test it, or you want to do something. This any kind of testing related to automation, you can go through here. Okay, so anyhow in a comment section, I'll copy paste this. Okay, so same thing. Now you can see here. It will open it. Okay, so same thing. Whichever the URL is there, I'll mention it here. This one. However, we are giving in a Selenium, right? You know already the using the get method, but here the visit. Cypress we are using, so that is the reason the short form it's coming the CY dot visit. Whenever you are giving the short form, you need to give the control spacebar. So then it will be give complete information on that, and whatever the methods are there, everything it will be displayed. Okay, now my URL is Cypress and visit. Okay, this URL it will get open. Okay, so what this is saying like this is a assert function, inbuilt assert function will be there. Okay, so this interviewer they will ask the question as well. Okay, what is the inbuilt the waiting is there in a Cypress? The by default it will be having the 3 seconds. Okay, okay, 3 seconds means 30,000 milliseconds. So just will run for this. Okay, this whenever you are just creating any test cases. Okay, just you need to save the test cases. Okay, after the save the test cases, what I'll do, I'll run it. Okay, so you want to run something, whatever the test cases that should be here. I'll be giving information. 1 second. Okay, you need to go to the terminal on the new terminal. The new terminal, it will open it the path of the Cypress. Okay, npx Cypress and run also you can give, or you can give here this open. Okay, so once you click on the given the comment on this in a terminal, and it will by automatically the Cypress will open it. Okay, so we'll see this how it will open. It will take some time. Launching now. Yes. launch. Okay, there are two options it will give. Okay, one is E2E testing and second one is component testing. No need to worry about this component testing. Just we need to, as a tester, we need to go for E2E testing. I'll click on here, and here it will give the option. Okay, the Chrome browser and Edge and Electron. In this interviewer might be, he will ask, okay, by default which browser it will support a Cypress. The answer is Electron. As you see here, the highlighting part, the Electron, it will be by default, it will support to the Electron. Okay, but you can choose the Chrome, you can choose the Edge, or you can choose the Electron. Okay, but that should be installed in your laptop. So this, as demo purpose, I'll create a Chrome browser and I start on this one E2E testing in a Chrome browser. Okay.